Hello students. Now today we start our chapter number 3 from our Madhya Pradesh of supplementary book of class 6th. And the chapter number 3rd is important places of tourist interest in Madhya Pradesh. कि मध्य प्रदेश में वो कौन से टूरिस्ट प्लेस हैं जो इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं, जहाँ पर टूरिस्ट का बहुत इंटरेस्ट रहता है देखने के लिए। तो आप देखोगे कि मध्य प्रदेश एक ऐसा स्टेट है, एक ऐसा राज्य है जो बिल्कुल रिच है हेरिटेज में और नेचुरल जो सीनिक ब्यूटी है उसके लिए। तो यहाँ पर बहुत सारे हिस्टोरिकल फोर्ट्स हैं, एंशियंट केव्स हैं, प्लेसेस हैं पिलग्रिमेज के लिए, नेचुरल ब्यूटी है और इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लेसेस हैं जो यहाँ पर आपको इस लेसन में मेंशन होंगे। तो उनमें से जो कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं वो मैं आपको बताती जा रही हूँ, वो आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे। फर्स्ट यू सी द ग्वालियर and that Gwalior, which was built by Raja Suraj Sen around the year 525 AD. Now this fort may be called as jewel amongst the forts of India. Now it has a place of significance in the northern India, and the dynasties who ruled here, their reminiscences are here in this fort. Now name of Gwalior fort is also associated with the freedom struggle of 1857, and it is built of sandstone on the high peaks of a mountain. The Gujari Mahal in the fort was built by Raja Man Singh Tomar in memory of his queen Mriganayani of Gurjar community. Now then the next place is Datia. Datia is famous for its palace of Raja Veer Singh Dev, which is 7-storied and was built in the 16th century. Now Shivpuri, there is also a national park, Madhav National Park, and the sprawling in an area of 156 square kilometers. Then the Narwar Fort. Narwar Fort was the capital of King Nal, and the love stories of King Nal and Damayanti was very famous. And the next is Bhopal. Now this place was set up by Raja Bhoj of Parmar dynasty, which was known as Bhojpal in the 11th century and later by name Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh. And Bhopal present a diverse picture. Now here Bhopal is situated on hills and there are many small and big lakes. It is therefore known as City of Lakes. Buildings and places worth seeing here and Tajul Masjid, Jama Masjid, Shaukat Mahal, Gauhar Mahal, Sadar Manzil, Bharat Bhavan, Lakshmi Narayan Temple, Birla Museum, Indira Gandhi National Museum of Man, State Archaeological Museum, Gandhi Bhavan, Van Vihar, Vidhan Sabha Bhavan, Regional Science Center, Aquarium Palaces of Islam Nagar, lakes, gardens and chhatris. Now Tajul Masjid is the biggest mosque in India. Student, this mosque is the biggest mosque in India. Now the next is Bhojpur. Bhojpur founded by the legendary Parmar king of Dhar, Raja Bhoj in 11th century and named after him. Now Shiv temple and Cyprian dam. The temple is also called as Somnath of Central India. Here you see the Bhojpur Shiv temple. Bhimbetka caves. The caves of Bhimbetka are of a prehistoric period. This is the third place in MP which has been selected by the UNESCO. And in the caves of Bhimbetka, there are rock paintings of some age. This picture gives us an idea of the art and lifestyle of people of that age. The contribution of Dr. Vishnu Sridhar Vakankar in the discovery of Bhimbetka is remarkable. Next is Sanchi. Sanchi is situated 46 kilometers away from Bhopal. And Ashoka, who constructed stupas, vihars and the pillars on the hills of Sanchi as per the wishes of his queen, now who was from Vidisha. Now Sanchi is famous world over for the Buddhist stupas, and a large number of followers of Buddhism come here. Now there are 3 stupas here. The first one is bigger and therefore called the principal stoop. So students, you have to read this chapter, and in the next video I give you some more places of our Madhya Pradesh, more tourist places of Madhya Pradesh.